Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So, jc-arias. Thing closed. I think here, let's try and weaken the dark squares a bit. And now what? B8 maybe? 97. Try this. Getting off this diagonal. Now 97 or 98H4, I think 97 or 98 even. 98. So when I play for B5, B4, does it achieve anything? Well, it's weakening himself potentially. B3 here for knight C2. I think I've seen this plan before. I think I've had it played against me. It's unpleasant. If I get knight C2, then potentially it's unpleasant for white, I think. Maybe just taking that bishop. Or is that really it? F5, E5. Queen A5, F5 again, E6, what about E6? Actually F5. Let's try F5, just keep the knight there for a moment. Is he going to use the G file? Don't tell me I've given him bishop D5, bishop B3. I have, haven't I? Oh, maybe there's knight takes E3 there. Now I'm just wondering about this check and taking here. Actually, F takes to try and expose the queen. Or E5 maybe. Right, a little bit of a concession maybe. I'll hold that H4 square here. Do I let him take? What do I take? Take them. I don't know, weaken my light squares. What's an active plan? Knight F6, but didn't have that. Knight H5 after. I could just take first. Yeah, I don't need to sack a pawn. Let's do this. For knight H5. Potentially that's... Okay, if I have to do F takes now. Or C4, C4. Trying to break the structure. I mean, that makes sense. Unless he's got rook G7 or something. Might do. Might have to defend this. With rook G8, that would have been... Alright, if I take... Or knight D5, I think taking... Is he sacking the exchange? I'm a bit worried about this. F4 just maybe... And rook B7, trying to defend over here and advance. Possibly bishop H6, knight E3, or rook G7, maybe rook G7 trying to extinguish the G file a bit. before it gets the big proportions when it trebles. I think I might be okay for a moment. There's also Ne3 here on the cards, potentially. Let's change off one pair of rocks, the Ne3. There's bishop g5. Is there not? Ne3 here with tempo on the rook. Can I not then play rook fg8? I think it starts to look okay. I'm playing bishop h6 or bishop f4 even. And bishop h6. So I'm not getting in trouble on h7 there. Take off one pair of rocks. There's rook f8 after. I think. Can't play rook f8. Queen g2. I think rook f8 looks plausible. Down to a minute. Yeah, a bit of time pressure. Alright, try and play queen f7, queen f1, that'd be dangerous, rook f2, even off this bishop, so queen f7 takes queen f1, rook f2 after, bishop g2, I was getting mated, queen f7 here, there's e2, unfortunately it's not doing anything. Bishop f4, e2, bishop c1 after that. There's queen f5, hold on, he's not that solid. Bishop e4, queen f1, going queen c2 here. But I've only got 35 seconds, I don't know if I need a faster internet. I think I'm losing time on every move. I need to get a faster internet or something. Okay. 35 seconds. Seems always getting into huge time pressure on the 5-minute game. It's ridiculous. Queen c2. Or am I just being mega blitzed? I don't know. Queen c2.
Check.
e2. Am I actually threatening anything? Take here, take on c3. I've got this past pawn.
Time.
I don't think I've got long enough to exploit this position. I'm going to take on queen. 8 seconds. 3 seconds. No, I'm going to lose on time. Oh well. I've become a time trouble merchant. Yeah, I've lost on time. Don't think I can. Yeah, 38 seconds. I think I need a faster internet. I don't know, did I take so long on this game? It's like, I don't know. It's just odd. Let's have a look at the clock at the same time. I wasn't in time pressure for quite some time here. I was only a few seconds behind him. Then the gap. Alright, for F5, I took ages on F5, so I go down a bit. I think this G file worried me a bit. That sort of caused a bit of time loss. I was comfortable here. But I'm 44 seconds down. Oh, it's -7 with Rook F1 check. Did I miss?
Check.
With a minute after E2. Oh, just grinning. I missed the shot here. Yeah, for the pawn. Oh man.
Check.
That's a shame. Well, even this is it's winning, isn't it? Really. But I don't know. My time. Okay, where does my time go to like 30 seconds?
Check.
34 seconds there. Before, where did I get to 35? So Queen F5. I spent. Should have played that instantly. Maybe I was like stuck here looking at E2 for a bit. I don't know. Yeah, odd. Okay. Bit too slow. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.